Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my top knot, ninja bun, high bun with these three ingredients or products. Well, a couple more, but you know, those are basic. All I'll be using is water, Kinky Curly Knot Today, and the curling custard. What else is new? My hair is dry. I don't think it's adjusted to our new environment yet. So I'm going to be spraying it with water. It's going to be pretty saturated. Next, I'm going to take Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in conditioner and add a super generous amount, especially around the edges, because I don't want them to stress out and break off when I'm brushing it into the bun. I add this to the edges and to the ends because I don't want the ends to dry out either, because when my ends are dry, they break and split so much easier. So I especially wet the edges and the ends of my hair. Next, I'm grabbing my all-time favorite hair care product ever. And somebody asked me if I was trying to keep it a secret. I peel the whole label off because of how it's put on the container, but I did it properly this time with scissors, so the label is on there. It's the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. It's my favorite. I use it as gel. I use it as edge control. I use it all over my hair, basically if I want to lay it down or to clump the curls together. So when I'm doing a high bun, I try to smooth as much hair as possible with my hands and with the brush before I use the ponytail holder. Have you ever seen like when people put the ponytail holder around and then brush their hair and all these random hairs are sticking up? I don't know why that bothers me, but I try to do as much smoothing as possible before then to avoid all that. When I feel like my hair is as flat and smooth as possible, I go ahead and secure my hair with the ponytail holder. Now to create the bun, all I do is wrap it around, I think 2 or 3 times, and now my hair is long enough to actually just tuck it under itself and fluff it until I get the right shape for the bun. So this is before fluffing, and then can you believe that this is only a year ago? My hair wouldn't even fit up into a bun. It takes me a while to shape the bun to get it just the way I want it, but this is as good as it's going to get today. Sometimes I have to use bobby pins, but today it cooperated. So now I just go back over just the edges and bring some baby hair down. I'm not the type of person to use like the toothbrush and do all the crazy swoops, but if you like that, you go right ahead. And just to make it stay, I think I wrapped my hair for about an hour, maybe a little over an hour, till it was completely dry. And of course, in the meantime, I do makeup in preparation to go absolutely nowhere. So a couple hours later, once my hair is dry, well, at least the edges are completely dry, I take the scarf down and the gel has set, and this is what the final product looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!